In the world of manufacturing and engineering, precision and quality are paramount. And when it comes to dependable materials, 304 stainless steel stands out as a true champion. But what makes 304 stainless steel so remarkable? 304 stainless steel is an austenitic steel alloy, containing a composition of 18% chromium and 8% nickel. This specific combination imparts remarkable resistance to corrosion, making it highly suitable for applications exposed to harsh environments and chemical. The versatility of 304 stainless steel is evident in its wide range of applications. Its inherent strength and durability make it an excellent choice for constructing machinery, equipment, and structures that require reliability and longevity. Manufacturers often turn to 304 stainless steel shafts when precision, strength, and resistance to wear are crucial. These shafts find their home in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and marine applications. O'Hare Precision Metals offers a comprehensive selection of 304 stainless steel bar stock, ensuring consistent quality and dimensional accuracy. Our strict quality control processes guarantee that each bar meets the highest standards. Whether you require round bars, bar stock, or custom sizes, O'Hare Precision Metals is your trusted source for premium 304 stainless steel materials. Our expertise and commitment to excellence ensure that you receive the precise solutions you need for your project. Contact us today to learn more about our wide range of 304 stainless steel products and how we can meet your specific requirements.